Andrew, there was no winner in this championship.
Well, not between Sheikh Khalifa and Big Boy Julio. But I think Mia was the winner today. She got the chance to promote her TikTok account. It's blowing up with tons of new followers.
Are you following me a millionaire life?
Of course, Zara.
Okay, I'll do the same then.
The sportscaster said that Mia is Mia Millionaire Life. She has 1 million followers on her TikTok. That is a huge achievement. I need a proper introduction to her. Lucinda, will you help me with that?
What's going on, Derek?
I'm not sure, but something sounded off with my tire. I need to check what it is. Yes, it is a flat tire.
Do you have a spare tire?
I do, but I don't have a jack. Do you happen to have one by any chance?
No, I don't. Do you have roadside service?
No, I can't afford one. I'm in a real bad financial situation.
Don't worry, Derek. I'll call my roadside service to help you.
Would you do that for me?
Of course.
Thank you, Phillips.
Julio, I'm so proud of you today. You proved to be a great sportsman.
I could have easily beaten Khalifa. He was no match for me.
I know that.
So, Mia, are you going to stay or go back home?
I don't know, Julio. Staying in Palm Jumeirah is very tempting.
If you want, you can come to my ranch. My horse, Apollo, misses you a lot.
I don't think he likes me. Last time, he sent me to the hospital, remember?
Khalifa, we've already talked about this. And you need to get some new clothes. You only have black tank tops. You're not Steve Jobs or Mark Zuckerberg.
I'm Sheikh Khalifa.
Hi, Mr. Phillips. Did you ask for a tire change?
Yes, I did. My friend Derek needs help.
Oh, I remember Mr. Derek. But unfortunately, I cannot help him.
Why not?
Only your car can be repaired. It's the company's policy. But I can change the tire for $200.
I'm not paying for anything. Last time, you ripped me off.
I didn't do anything. Listen, Mr. Smith, I can't waste my time. Do you want me to change your tire or not?
I'll never let you touch my car.
That's fair. Have a good day, Mr. Phillips.
Wait. Can you do it for $150?
$175 is the final price. This is my final offer. Take it or leave it.
I'm just going to accept it because I'm late. I don't want to lose my job.
I guess you're an Uber driver. That's a typical Uber driver's vehicle.
I'm an Uber driver but also an accountant.
You need to pay me in advance. Mr. Smith, your card was declined. I will only accept cash from you.
Who is calling me? I don't recognize this number. Maybe it's a brand wanting to make a deal. Let me answer it. Hello, this is Mia Millionaire Life.
Good morning, Mia. I'm Peter Kruzieski. I'm calling from IRS.
What is IRS? A clothing or bag brand?
IRS stands for Internal Revenue Service. Mia, you need to pay your taxes. You're making lots of money from TikTok.
Come on, Peter. It's not a lot. I'm sure the government doesn't need my money.
It doesn't matter what you think. You need to come to my office so we can talk. My office is in Miami. Come as soon as possible, okay? I'm expecting you. Have a good day. Thank you, Agent McMillan. I always want to catch TikTokers evading taxes. My list of influencers is long, but Mia wasn't there.
Don't worry, Peter. It was my pleasure. I'll let you know when she arrives in Miami. I have undercover agents everywhere in Miami.
Where's Mia? This is not an excuse. Everybody is waiting for her. The game cannot start without her. Get the job done. Hurry up.
Welcome to Abu Dhabi, Mr. President. We need to talk business.